As we approach the new year, you want to start Q1 by selling shirts in the best-selling niches. I will be going over 10 of the top niches to start 2023. Number 1. 100 Days of School. These designs sell every year. The 100th day of school is celebrated as a milestone, especially for elementary students. So if you're going to sell these, make sure to check the youth checkbox because they are primarily for kids. To stand out and decrease the competition, you can combine it with other niches like T-Rex shirts, which are popular year-round and good to cross-niche with other niches. We also see the football niche, which is popular around this time of year, with this I tackled 100 Days of School design. Number 2. Chinese New Year. In January, we have Chinese New Year, and this year in 2023, it is the Year of the Rabbit. Look at the design approaches for the Year of the Rabbit, lots of different rabbit designs. There are lots of red shirts, so you can design for these colors specifically. Here's a Hello Kitty design. Remember to always check trademark and don't infringe on copyright. Number 3. Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day shirts usually start selling as soon as Christmas is over. I wouldn't just do generic Valentine's Day shirts. Try to find a way of attacking it either by cross-niching or sub-niching. We see a 100 Days of School design combined with Valentine's. They land around the same week, so it makes a good combination. Dog shirts are also popular to combine with most niches, and it is no different for Valentine's Day. Think of funny Valentine's Day shirts or some designs for single people, or even the people who aren't single but still want to wear Valentine's Day parody shirts. Pizza is My Valentine is a good example of this. 4. Black History Month. Black History Month is another large niche for selling shirts in Q1. I Am Black History is one that sells every year. Black Teacher Magic is targeted at teachers. Think of doctors, lawyers, and other professionals to make designs for. I Am My Ancestors' Wildest Dreams. This is one that can make a sale at any time in the year, so think of ways to make designs that could become evergreens after February. 5. Super Bowl and football shirts. The Super Bowl is a large event in sports that always gets sales, and football in general is a big sport for selling in Q1. Do not sell anything that infringes on the NFL or uses the word Super Bowl. Stay away from anything related to player names and cities combined with football. I Am Just Here for the Snacks is one that is not even targeted for a football fan, so think of that customer. It's game day, y'all. This one can be worn to the Super Bowl or for any game in any sport. Number 6. St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day is another big holiday for t-shirts. It is a drinking holiday, so drinking shirts are great sellers. Make sure the youth box is unchecked for any drinking designs you upload. Upload some designs on a green t-shirt only, so when customers are searching through the listings, your green shirt will stand out compared to the black shirts around it. Similar to the Shut Up Liver You're Fine shirt. Like dinosaurs, unicorns and cats are always popular niches to combine with your trends and holidays. Also use the Ireland flag and combine it with other flags. Number 7. Mardi Gras. Mardi Gras is a large carnival celebration in New Orleans that is another event for selling shirts. The Mardi Gras colors are purple, green, and yellow, so use these in your designs. This is another niche where funny alcohol-related shirts can sell. Crawfish are a popular dish in Louisiana and a good niche to associate with Mardi Gras. So are jesters and anything associated with the carnival. 8. Pi Day. Pi Day shirts also sell extremely well. Pi Day is on March 14 and is a number related to the math constant for the circle. Math is a piece of pie is a good shirt that can sell year-round instead of only for 3/14. Combining pie the food with the pi symbol is popular for this niche. 9. 2023 designs. Think of any designs you already have that use a year like 2022 and remember to update them to the year 2023. Designs like Retired 2023, Class of 2023, and Promoted to Grandpa 2023. Birthday-related shirts sell year-round, and we're about to start the new year, so it is a great time to upload birthday-related designs. You're going to have a lot more sales for the significant birthdays like the 10, 20, 30, 40, and all the way up to 100. And number 10, Evergreens. Evergreens are not tied to a date and make you sales year-round, unlike designs tied to a moment in time. In Q1, you can upload evergreens to sell throughout the rest of the year and years to come. Upload those cat shirts, gamer shirts, fishing shirts, and religious shirts, but try to find cross niches and sub niches to stand out and make unique designs. If done correctly, along with using the right keywords, you can make just as many sales as trending shirts in Q1 and the rest of 2023. Thank you for watching.